Noisy engine on a Harley Davidson Softail, maybe even a Tourer, with the M8 engine I'm talking about. I think I found a solution. Let's get into it.
Revelator Alf.
Hello, welcome to Revelator Alf. So yeah, out on this glorious morning here again on the heroic Harley, yeah, with the Sport Glide with the M8 engine. Lovely, beautiful. Right, so if you watch some of my videos back maybe a year or so, maybe a little bit more than that, I was talking about getting some strange noises, some noises from the engine, and it's been bugging me this whole time, and sometimes it comes and sometimes it doesn't. And what I noticed was that during the winter I get this kind of really heavy ticking noise from the top of the engine, and I thought, is it the rockers or something like that? But what I've noticed now, more so as we're coming into spring and last year during the summer, that as I'm riding along it kind of diminishes and disappears. Now where I'm wearing my full face helmet I hardly hear it at all, but because I wear an open face helmet quite a lot, especially during the summer months, or the hotter riding days, let's say the warmer days, I notice it a lot more, and then it diminishes. So my theory is this, and let me know what you think about this. I think it's the oil. I think it's the oil that needs to heat up quite a bit, and depending on the oil that you use, you'll hear it even more. I don't think I've got a problem with the bike. The bike is running absolutely fine. It's just the noise on the rockers right at the top, because the oil isn't getting up there and it's not lubricating it as best as it could as a hot oil would. I think that's it. Now I could be wrong here, but let us know if you've thought about this. I'm running HG360 in there right now. I am on the next oil change going to change that oil for something different. So let us know your thoughts, what oil I could use that I could get here in the UK that would help reduce that noise on the Softail, you know, with the M8 engine. I think a quick change of oil might sort this out. Anyway, if you are getting this ticking noise or this you know, sort of vibrating noise as it were from the top of the engine, and then it diminishes afterwards, I think it's the oil. So it's not really an issue, it's just that your engine needs to warm up, and that's why you should always let your engine warm up before you start adding a lot of power. And usually what I do when I don't start up my engine, let it run outside my house for, you know, 2 or 3 minutes, and basically all I do is just get on the bike and just keep it at low revs when I'm riding off for about a mile or two, and then start opening it up a little bit. So maybe that's something to consider as well. But anyway, I thought I'd bring this to you. Harley Davidson's with the M8 engine. If you're getting that sort of ticking noise, they always had that with these M8 engines. That's why a lot of people were a bit perturbed by them when they first came out. But sometimes they do make a lot of noise, excessive noise, abnormal noise, let's say, and I think it's down to the oil. Now you could have a problem with your rockers, and there is an issue with M8 engines, or some of them that have got a sort of higher mileage as well, but mine's just done barely 17,000 miles, so I don't think it's that. It could be, I mean, it could be something like that, but I don't think so. But anyway, let us know your thoughts in there. If you've had a problem with the top of your engine there, you know, maybe with your valves as well, anything like that, valve guides, rocker arms, anything like that, let us know if there's a problem with these M8 Softails, or you've had a problem, I should say, not a general problem, an individual problem, and you know, what you did and how much it cost to fix and all that kind of stuff. Or did you just change your oil and it cured that kind of excessive noise problem as well? Let us know. But don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, like and share. Check out the website revelatoralf.com. Right, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my ride on the heroic Harley. Ta-da.